Welcome to today's class on WordPress web designing series 2. So in this class, friends, we are going to learn about the how to install the themes and plugins in our WordPress dashboard, and then we will also learn about the creating web pages and menus. And in the next class, we will also know about the WordPress basic settings, and we will also try to know about the creation of the images and setting of the images and the sections, understanding the sections, headings, images, buttons, etc. Okay, today we will try to cover this topic. Okay, so first class of today is the installment of the themes and plugins on our dashboard. So friends, is my screen visible? Okay.
Sir,
So now, so whenever I ask you, just you have to chart in the chat box. Okay. No need to tell why it's not made. Okay. Now, whenever I ask you, you have to chart. That's it. So that I can easily understand that you are engaged with the class. Okay. Now, see friends, I am opening my my dashboard of the website. Digit10.3. This is the admin panel of our website. Digit10.3nm WordPress admin. Let's wait for 1 minute. All of you, please unmute your video voices. Okay, friends. So this is the dashboard of our website, Digit10.3net. So how to install the in the previous class we have discussed about the installment of the themes and plugins. Once again, I will repeat. See here, come to the dashboard. Under this one, you have to go to the appearance. Then you have to select for the themes. So previously, I have selected one theme that is called as the Generate Plus theme. Activities presently now it is active. Now I will add one more theme that is the very best suitable for the agency websites. As a demo purpose, I will try to show you the Astra theme. I will take the Astra theme and how to design a beautiful website by using the Astra theme. I will explain. So these are the in our total class is regarding the training session of how to design a website. With this training, you can build any website. Okay, whatever the website you would like to build, you can build with this training. Okay, I will try to it is similar that I will try to make you to ride a car. Then you can ride some wherever you want to go. You can ride. Okay, it doesn't mean that I can't ride you lifetime along with you. Along with me, I cannot ride you. I cannot drive you everything. Okay, so I will give you the training. Based upon the training, you can create any website. How to design everything we are going to learn. So first of all, I'm coming to the section of themes. I just as of now, see here when I type the Astra theme, Astra has been activated here. Active theme is Astra now. Now similarly, we have to go to the plugins. Under the plugins, you have to go to the install plugins. So in the previous class, I have already mentioned that we need to install we have first remove all the unnecessary plugins because they are the overburden of our dashboard. So just to remove the unnecessary plugins, then we have to select the Elementor. We have to install the plugin called Elementor because it is a very good page builder. And default we will get the Gutenberg page builder. What does it mean? I will explain you. So Elementor and Pro Elementor Pro we have installed, and previously I already installed the Generate Plus theme. So here no need. So I can delete the scheme. Okay, and now here these are not activated. So it is asking to activate. Whenever any plugin or theme is not activated, it will be in the normal form. When it gets activated, and bulk themes we can activate. Okay, we can activate bulk themes. Okay, these are the plugins, right? So go to the bulk action from here bottom section or from the upper section. You can select the activate and apply. So automatically all those versions will be all those plugins will be activated one after one. Okay. Now the procedure is going on. See, this is the dashboard. It is running. So it will show installation successful. Okay, installation of the plugins was successful. Okay, now coming to the Astra theme. So there are some free themes and some paid themes are different. Free themes are having the limitations, and in paid themes you will be having so many features. Okay, extra features you are getting the things. So if you want to be more themes, okay, rather than the theme what I have prepared, what I have shown you. You can go to the theme forest. This is the website name. That is the forest of all the themes like that. They have kept the name as theme forest. So here, coming from this site, you can select all the category of website. Okay, you can, for example, if you are going to design a hospital website or any business website, your business owner will ask you, can you please show me the demo? So you can come up here and you can search for any kind of the businesses. Okay, so for example, as in my case, so these are the marketing templates, these are the e-commerce website templates, these are the normal citing blogging templates, and we all the categories also it is showing up here. So unique themes and templates for every budget, every project. So like this, these are some of the featured images, featured themes are there for all the kind of businesses. You will be having the category wise themes and plugins here. Okay, every category of website is shown up here. So for example, if I would like to show you one hospital website, so or any business website, you can come up here and you can select the theme. So for example, see unique themes for every budget, every project. See, I am coming up here with all themes here. So this is the theme for this is social question answer. This is IT solutions, responsive Shopify themes. Next job board, WordPress theme. Okay, multi-purpose responsive Shopify. These are some examples of the themes. Okay, so like that we have to come up here and we have to select the theme, and then we can go to the live preview. So if you select for the live preview, you will get the live preview as well. So from that one, that URL you have to take it and you have to share with the business owner. So here category wise all these themes are there. Site templates are there. 19,000 site templates are. If you take up all the category, 53,981 themes are available here. So category wise blogging type 362, then courses 125, forums also 20. So like that e-commerce all the business category wise. So 3,000 plus business websites, e-commerce websites are already there. Marketing type 2,640 like that. All the list is categorized. It has been mentioned up here. So I come up here and I will tell health service website template. If I select this one, so you may find a beautiful template related to the health service, medical responsive Joomla templates, or this one. This is about the some of the beauty and responsive spa and beauty care, and this is for the nutrients. Okay, health services, nutrients and health coach. Okay, and this one is a demo like that, or this is the one healthcare, right? Medics, health and medical. So this is the medical hospital like that. Okay, we are searching for the website like this. Okay, if I want to see the preview, then I will select this one. Okay, preview.thinkforest.net. So this is the preview. So you can see here all the home concept 2, home concept 3. That means this is one model of the home page. If you are interested with this one, you can see the launch the demo also. This is the one home. In the second home type, you may find some just changes. Another image is there. Some of the sections are here. These sections are there. These sections are here. So like that, what kind of home you would like, you can select that home category and you can launch the demo. That means that will be fully functionably. We can see the preview. Okay, so let's see here. If I would like to select one project, this one. Okay, launch the demo. Second one, for example, launch the demo. So the demo is now launching. See here, automatically everything is now ready, kept ready. So here the logo is there, the header, the main header, and this is the small header. Okay, and then you will be having the menu. Under this menu, you will be having the some home sub menu. This is the main menu, primary menu. This is called as the primary menu. And all these, whenever if you open any page, that will be called as the page. Okay, from all these, whatever you are seeing up here, all these are the elements of the home page. Okay, and then this is the one model. Okay, so like this preview, you will get it. So you can share these URL with your client. So do you want this? Do you want to make a website like this? Yes, I like it more. Yes, I have to design. You go with this design. If they approve your design, then you have to collect the data, whatever the required data is there required for them for their website. You have to collect the data. You will ask for the required data. Then they will give the data. Our medical specialists, doctors, list of doctors and their qualifications, etc. Their expertization in the field, whatever they are doing there. See, this is the image, access, everything. So who is this one? See the better technologies or better healthcare. Random text will be provided there. We have to select this one. Just modal purpose. Okay. So this is a preview. Okay. This is the footer section. All these are the different kinds of different sections are there. And then we have to select this preview and we have to share with the businesses. Okay. Under the pages section, also see how many pages are there. If you would like to create these many pages, we can create. Okay. So under the pages also sub pages are there, sub menus are there. Sub menus also we can create. Okay. And then half menu. So like this. This is the preview of the website. Make an appointment button is there. Everything. So now I will tell you how to create a you know in the next class we will understand the creation of the menus. Okay. I hope you got the clarity.